guys, Min here. So today I am going to talk about something that's a little bit disgusting. It's because of this little bad boy, the AirPod Pro. So the AirPod Pro, as everybody knows, is an ear pod you stick in your ear. So because of that, a lot of people, including myself, seem to get a lot more earwax. And it's pretty annoying and pretty disgusting. And, you know, I'm not a doctor. You should never stick anything in your ear. But anyway, so don't do anything I do here. But I got sent this earwax removal kit from Yatotoo. So this little thing. And it's quite cool because it's a scope plus a earwax removal. So you can use the 10 megapixel nano endoscope to see the disgustingness that you're removing. So I got it more out of curiosity than anything else. But hey, why not, right? So let's check this sucker out, right? All right, so let's open this sucker up and see what we have. All right, from the back it says 3-in-1 multifunctional earwax removal. The Yatotoo Note 3 Pro. Sounds like a phone. 1000 watt pixel. I don't know what that means. 70 minutes battery life. And a gyroscope inside. What? That's pretty cool. Oh, only Wi-Fi B and G. So no N, no AC, yeah, but that's okay. Most smart things, most Internet of Things are that way right now. All right, so 33 grams. All right, looks pretty cool. Whoo-wee, look at that. It is like a very beautiful pen, very high end. Oh, what else is in the box? All right. We have an instruction manual, and look, charging cable. What is this? Why do I need that? This is almost like this is almost like my attachment for my AirPod. And then you have tips. I can't get it out. All right, and then you have a number of tips. Ooh, soft silicone. Wow, very, very soft. Wow, okay. This is going to be interesting. Oops. Okay, that's pretty cool. And let's open up this sucker. Oh, look. Wow. There's some lights and a little tip for scraping. And I'm assuming this is like a ear tip protector. So you just stick it in your ear that way so you don't push it in too far. Okay, that's very considerate. But warning, don't stick anything in ears. And I'm not a doctor, and I will not be responsible for you sticking stuff into your ears and busting your eardrums. So, just reviewing this thing, because there's a camera inside. There's a little bitty camera. So, okay, so let's read the instructions and let's get this thing synced up. Okay, wow. What? Supposed to open up as a clamp too, but it doesn't look like it. So, how does it? Miniature robot arms. So this thing's supposed to be a miniature robot arm? Oh, wow. So I will have to examine this a little bit more. So I'll need to change the setup so you can actually see the macro on this thing and see the little miniature robot arm. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I got a new setup. So I will use the macro function of the iPhone to give you a closer look at what this endoscope / your scoop can do. And before we get started, there's a few things. One is that there's this nice, really cool charger, the USB charger, which connects back magnetically. Look at that. Into the back, and you can just plug this right into my cool little socket here. And there you go, it charges the endoscope. The lights up here, which is really cool. The other thing about this is it comes with a couple of tips, different type of tips. And of course, what is this called? The ear canal protector, which is just the earpiece that you typically see in the headphones. In order for me to use the endoscope, first thing we need to do to get started is actually to download the app. So on the sheet here, there's a QR code. So let me scan this QR code and download this app. iOS, and get it, IC Plus. All right, once I got the app, I will open it. And okay, so I have to switch over to the Wi-Fi and actually connect. This thing connects through Wi-Fi. So let me do that. Okay, so it looks like it's connected. All right, it's connected. It's showing I have 29 minutes remaining and 42% battery life. Okay, so let's see what I got. Okay, next step. And use the clip, okay. Looks pretty dangerous. So once again, I am not a doctor. You should not do this. This is for scientific purposes only, just to understand what this device is. And I am not going to be responsible if you injure your ear or injure yourself using this device. All right, so check this out. All right, so there's this, and there's a scope here. So I can actually, let's see, well, there's my finger. You can see my finger. And look at that, huh? Well, that's pretty cool. So I am going, no, I'm not gonna stick this thing in my ear. I have a pin cap. So this pin cap simulates your ear canal, maybe a little bit straighter, but I stuffed a piece of paper down there. So what you wanna do is you should be able to go through this and, oh, look at that. I could see that piece of paper and I could try to scoop, and I keep on pushing it in. It just gets deeper and deeper into my ear canal. So what do? I need to get this piece of paper out. So what's cool about this is that there is a little function that you can do. Here, let's do this. So there's a little function that you can do here that you can actually take this thing off, take this rubber section off, and there is a little clamp here. And there's the button on the tweezers where I can then go and click on the, oh, it's not opening. So it was stuck, I had to move it a little bit, but there is a little tweezer here, check this out. And I can push this button on there and it opens up, and I push it again, it closes. That's pretty cool, right? So now, let's go back to our ear canal. We can go into it. And I can adjust it here. Oh, I feel like a robot. All right, now I could push the button. Oh, I didn't get it. All right, close and pull. Oh. All right, close. Oh. I think this thing is going to not come out. Close. Oh. All right, so let's see here if I could do this again. Open this thing up. And, all right, let's close it. And I'll lightly tug. Look at that! I pulled it out, and there's a little tweezer in there. That's pretty cool, right? Now, and then I can go in and simply click on this, and this thing opens. Okay, cool. There are a few other things that you can do with this. You can actually set it to focus lens. Let's ear-picking mode. And let me put the earpiece back on. This little rubber piece is pretty firm. So, all right. So ear-picking mode, and you can actually put focus lens or wide lens. You can also change it to images, or it's like images. You can actually snap a picture, I think. Oh, would like to access your microphone. Okay. Oh, you can take a video of it. How cool is that? You can take a video of your exploration of your ear canal, or exploration of our ear canals here. Let's put that sucker in there. Our exploration of our ear canal here, you can actually do that and explore the video of, you know, whatever it is. And right ear, left ear, so it makes it a little bit easier for you to look at. But all in all, it's pretty simple. You can do an orientation lock, and that's it. So this little endoscope is actually pretty cool because, I don't know, there's a camera on top of it. It's a ear scoop with a camera on it, and there's not just a camera, but there's also a little tweezer on it that you can go and remove things. Once again, I'm not a doctor. You should not do this, but as a person that admires technology, I find this pretty amazing. So check it out. If you have any questions about it, please let me know, and I might find some use for this other places too. So, all right, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.